Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and looking at how much money you need to have to make $100 per day from swing trading or even investing into the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe, join the team. So let's dive into this one. All right. So for those of you that don't know what swing trading is pretty much when you buy a stock, you hold it for more than a day, but less than a year. When you buy a stock and you sell a stock during the same trading day, that's considered a day trade. It's a different strategy, mindset. Now, when you buy a stock and you hold it for more than a year, that's considered a long-term investment, and it's a different tax bracket, it's a different mindset and strategy. On average, I do hold my swing trades for about 2 weeks. Now that we understand what swing trading is, now let's dive into how much money you need to make $100 per day. So for me, I think it all comes down to your overall goal with swing trading. If your goal is 1% or 0.5% or even 0.25%, I think that's completely realistic. And obviously this is a goal. So most of the time you're probably not gonna hit that. It should be something that you're pushing yourself, something that is somewhat achievable, but overall is a little bit farther of a reach for your goal. So for me, I think a good goal, at least for me, is ranging anywhere from 0.5 to 1% every single day. I know it sounds crazy, but it should be a goal that pushes yourself to be a better trader. So if you do the basic math of 1%, if let's just say your goal is 1% every single day, then your total account balance should be about $10,000. And obviously you guys can adjust this to your overall goal that meets your needs. Maybe you're a more aggressive trader that your goal is 2% or 5%. You guys can just adjust it with basic math. Now there is some things you must know before you guys start swing trading. Obviously the only difference between somebody that's making $10 a day and somebody that's making $100 a day is just one thing, and it's share size. So starting out, you don't need thousands and thousands of dollars to get started with swing trading, because the great thing about swing trading is it's all compounded, meaning the profits you get today can be used as leverage tomorrow, which is a great way to really ramp up your account and start that compounding effect on your portfolio and your swing trade. And obviously I think all swing trading strategies and mindsets, they should have some rules. So for me, I think the most important rules are no penny stocks. You don't want to trade high volatile, high risk companies. They're going to go up and down. You're going to be able to make a ton of money, but overall you're going to lose a ton of money. The risk level is very, very high when you invest or trade penny stocks. The second thing that I always do is take profit. I've never lost money taking profit. What this means, I know it sounds so simple, but when you see a stock, your stock go up, and most of the time you'll have some sort of emotion. That emotion could be greed. You think it's going to go up even more, or you might even have a little fear, or you might have some hope, or whatever that emotion is. What smart traders do is they always take profit. Taking profit is super, super important. When I first started swing trading, I thought all my swing trades were home runs, and I soon realized the stock would go up and then it would fall back down, and I would lose money, and it wasn't worth it. So take profits when you can, you won't regret it. So another super important rule is trade what you understand, meaning when you talk to your friends or family and they're saying to buy AMC or GameStop and you don't understand what they're talking about, don't trade. In most circumstances, it's better to just sit on the sidelines than trade your hard-earned cash. What I would recommend doing is, if you're looking to possibly trade a stock that you don't understand, maybe use that in your paper trading account. Paper trading is a great way to build up a strategy, build up confidence so you can be a better trader. The last little rule and tip that I would recommend are master your emotions. In my opinion, trading is about 85% emotions and about 15% strategy. So if you don't master your emotions, you're not going to be a profitable trader. These emotions are going to be super, super important, because you'll have all those fear. You'll have FOMO when you see a stock skyrocket up, and maybe you'll try to get in on that trade, but the train already left the station for that opportunity. So mastering your emotions is a great way to relax yourself. When you trade what you understand, and you have no worries, and you'll be a better trader. Alrighty guys, so those were the top tips for swing trading, and honestly, making $100 all it comes down to is dedication and just building up your portfolio and your account. For me, I found the best account size is near and around $10,000 and up. You don't want to have a very unrealistic goal of 10% every day and not be able to achieve it and actually invest into these high risk, high reward companies that are just super risky and you can burn through your portfolio. So honestly, over 10,000 is honestly gonna be the best account size. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Take care.